Hello students, I am your maths teacher. In this class we are going to see about the set students and I am given you the concept. You're going to go through the link and understand the concept. Now we are going to start with the sums. Students, in this class we are going to see a new chapter, sets. That is concept of sets. So before starting with the concept of sets, we should know what is the meaning of set. According to the definition, a set is a collection of well-defined. It should be well-defined and a distinct object. Distinct object is nothing but different objects. Each object is known as a member or element of the set. Mostly they will be using this particular word, element. Example, the first four natural numbers. If I am going to talk about the first four natural numbers means a equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Natural number starts from 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. First 4 natural numbers. A is nothing but the set. A is known as the set. And while I am representing the set, I will be using the flower bracket. Inside that, whatever I am writing, those values are known as elements. The values which I am writing inside is known as elements. And coming to the next point, symbol. In this chapter, you are going to frequently see these symbols in your questions. That is, you will be having this type of symbols. This particular symbol is known as less than. In that symbol, if you are going to have a line at the bottom means it is known as less than or equal to. Greater than or equal to. If you are going to have a symbol like this, putting C between that, if you are going to put a line like this means that particular symbol is known as belongs to. And over that symbol, if you are going to draw a slash line means does not belongs to. So these are the symbols we are going to see in this chapter, students. Next, we are going to see about the representation of set. So what is the meaning of representation of a set? The given set can be represented in two ways. So this particular representation, we are going to do it as a sum in your exercise. Roster or tabular form. This is one type of representation. And second one is rule method or set builder form. All these format we are going to see in your exercise, students. And sometimes they may ask you like this question: what are the ways to represent a set? There are two ways to represent a set. One is a roster form, another one is set builder form. Even in this way also you can write. Fourth one, cardinal number. The meaning of cardinal number. Before seeing the definition of cardinal number, we will see the example. So what is the example I am given here? I have opened a set. I have just written a set capital A equal to. Inside that I am writing the elements like this: A, E, I, O, U. Now I am going to count the elements: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many elements I am having here? I am having 5 elements. So n of A, n of that particular set equal to 5. I am having 5 elements. This small n represents the cardinal number. Now we are going to see the definition. So what is the statement? What is the definition given according to cardinal number? So just for a simple understanding, I have written like this: the number of elements present in a set is called a cardinal number. So understand properly, the number of elements present in a set is called a cardinal number. So the elements are A, E, I, O, U. Number of elements, element means I am counting the elements. Coming to the fifth question. If you see the fifth question, finite and infinite. Finite means I can count the number of elements. Infinite means I cannot count the number of elements. So what is the definition given here? A set whose elements can be counted is called finite. A set whose elements cannot be counted is called infinite set. Just I have taken 3 examples here: A, B and C. If you see here, A question starting from 1 and the ending value is 4. So I can count this particular set of elements. So this is called as finite. Coming to B, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. I cannot count the number of elements. I cannot find the end. So, it is called infinite set. C, starting from 1, 2, 3, etc. till 10 means the meaning is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, this set is called finite set. Based on these concepts, we are going to start with the exercise now, students. So, exercise 1A, the first two sums, you are going to mark it in your book itself, students. We'll see the first question. Which of the following collections are set? So, whatever statement they are going to give you means all the statements will not come under the category of set. So, there is some terms and conditions. So, a set must be well defined. It should be meaningful. So, that is the concept of set. Now, we'll see the first one. All the months of a year. So, I can count the number of months, that is from January to December, we are having the months in a year. So, all the months of a year is possible. So, this is called a set. It is well defined. The next one is second question, all super actors of India. We cannot tell who is a super actor and who is not. It depends upon the situation and it depends upon the timing. According to that, it will be changing on. So, it is not a set. Third question, all the letters of the word Mizoram. So, I can count the letters. So, this is a set. Fourth question, all the natural numbers less than 20 which are perfect square. Perfect square, it is possible for us to find this condition. So, it is a set. Fifth question, all the integers lying between -5 and 5. So, I can tell what are all the integer values. -5 to 5 means -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, it is a set. Sixth question, all the good boys of our neighborhood. You can't particularly tell this is a good boy. Coming to the sixth question, all the good boys of our neighborhood. We can't tell this is a good boy or that is a bad boy. So, we can't judge a person by telling that he is a good boy or bad boy. It depends upon the character. So, you can't, this is not a well defined statement, students. So, this is not a set. Coming to the second question. Second question, we are going to use, what is the thing given here? Let A be the set of all whole numbers greater than -3 but less than 5. The meaning for this one is greater than -3 means -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Between -3 to 5, I am writing all the values. So, that is the concept of the statement given here. Then fill in the blanks by using belongs to or does not belongs to. I am going to see this particular set and inside that I am going to see the elements. If this element is present here means belongs to or does not belongs to. I am going to check 0. 0 dash A means in the set A I am having the element 0. So, it is belongs to. Even 3 belongs to, but -4 and 5 does not belongs to the set A, students, because we are not having that particular element in that set and +4 is different from -4. So, understand this concept. Next, we are going to do the third sum. Exercise 1A, 1 to 6 sums we are going to see now, students. The first two sums you are going to mark it in your book. From third sum onwards, you are going to do it in your classwork. Now, we will start with the third sum. Write in roster and rule method. Just I am writing the question in short. They are asking you to write in roster as well as in rule method. What is the statement given here? Set of all letters of the word terracotta. So, that is the thing given here. Roster method means I am going to give a name for that particular set, capital A equal to. In this, I am going to take only the words which is not, I am going to write all the letters without repeating. So, TERACO. So, this is a way of writing, putting commas in between all the letters. So, this is the meaning of roster method. Converting the statement into mathematical form is known as roster method. And rule method is nothing but whenever they are asking you rule method or set builder means same set A equal to, I am going to open the flower bracket, I will be putting X. this symbol is known as, this slash symbol is known as such that. That is the meaning. X is a letter of the word terracotta. Coming to the second question. The set of all whole numbers lying between minus 4 and 2. Between minus 4 and 2 means I am going to take the whole numbers. The meaning of whole number means starting from 0, that it should be a positive. So I will be getting only these two values. Understand properly. Whole number starts from 0. Positive means 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. To confuse you, they are given you like this. Between minus 4 and 2 means I am going to take only these two values. In your number line, we are going to take only these two values, and those two values only I am going to write it in roster form, students. That is capital A equal to, open the flower bracket, 0, 1. From that statement, I am going to write it in mathematical form, 0, 1. Rule method is nothing but I am going to write like this, x such that x belongs to whole number. I am taking the number in this range, that is minus 4 less than x less than 2. This is one method. This is one method of representing. This is known as rule method. Same statement writing in rule method. Or a x such that x is a set of all whole numbers lying between minus 4 and 2. The same statement you can write in this way, but you have to show this particular symbolic method. So this is the main idea of rule method. Coming to the fourth question. Write in tabular form. The meaning of tabular form is nothing but a roster method, or and find their cardinal number. So I am just taking the question which is given in your book. X such that x is a prime number of one digit. What is the meaning of one digit? Means 1 to 9 I am writing the numbers. In that I am selecting only the prime numbers. If I select the prime numbers, I will be taking only these numbers, 2, 3, 5, 7. So these numbers are called prime numbers, one digit prime numbers. Just I am giving the notation as B is nothing but the set which is given in your question. B equal to set 2, 3, 5, 7. Cardinal number is nothing but I am going to count the number of elements present in that set. 1, 2, 3, 4. So n of B equal to 4. So that is the concept of this sum. Coming to the third question given in fourth part. C is equal to x such that x is a 2-digit number divisible by 15. The meaning for this statement is you are going to take the 15 table, students. You are going to just check and see. If you check 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30. If you go up to like this, 15 into 7, 105. So I am just crossing 2 digits. So you are going to take up to 90. That is 15 into 6, 90. I am going to take only these answers. I am going to put it in tabular form. That is a meaning for that statement. Now we are going to count the number of elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. N of C equal to 6. Next we are going to see the fifth sum. Question number 5. Write in set builder form. The meaning of set builder form is nothing but rule method, and that is a thing we have seen here, rule method only. Now just see here, this is a question given in your fifth part, students. I am going to name this question as a set. Let capital A equal to, I am just naming here. If you see the elements inside that, A, E, I, O, U is nothing but vowels in English alphabet. So this is a way of writing capital A. Set builder form means, set builder means x such that. X is a vowel of English alphabet. They will be giving you in mathematical form, you will be converting in statement. That is the procedure for set builder form. Coming to the next question. Next question they are given you like this. Starting itself they are putting it as etc. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0. Put it as capital A. You are going to write like this. X such that x is a set of integers which is less than or equal to 0, or integers means it is denoted by z. X such that x belongs to z and x is less than or equal to 0. In your graph, less than or equal to 0 means all the negative values including 0. So that is the concept. Understand it. The last concept for today's classes, we are going to see this one. Identify finite, infinite set and find their cardinal number. First, we are going to check whether the given question is finite or infinite. then we are going to find the cardinal set. If it is going to be finite only, we can find the cardinal number, students. So if you see the first question here, A, they are given you like this, x greater than 4 and x belongs to n. Greater n means natural number starts from 1. Greater than 4 means will be crossing, that is 5, 6, 7, 8, leaving out 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Even you can leave it out 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can't count the natural numbers. It goes on, they didn't give you the end. Greater than 4 means starting from 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, etc. Since we are not having the end here, it is called infinite set. There is no end. Keep that in your mind. Second question B, x such that x less than 5 and x belongs to W, whole number. Whole number means starting from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Less than 5 means before 5 I am going to stop 4. So this is a finite set. I can count the number of elements present in it. So if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, n of B equal to 5, students. Question number 3. See x such that x less than 5 and x belongs to integers. You have to be clear, students. Integer means you'll be having positive value, negative value and 0. So if you just draw this particular value in your number line means etc. That is, you'll be having lot of negative numbers, etc. minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm not touching 5 because less than 5 means before 5. That is, I'm stopping till 4. Since I'm having etc. symbol, it can be in front or it can be in back. It is an infinite set. Coming to the fourth question, same model. If you see etc. we are having, so this is also an infinite set. End if you are having number means don't think that it is countable. Etc. This etc. starting and ending should be there. We are not having the starting here. So keep that in your mind, students. Fifth question, very important. And what is the fifth question given here is x less than 1 and x belongs to natural number. So what is the meaning of less than 1? Less than 1 is nothing but, less than 1 means it will be starting from 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. But natural number starts from 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is E equal to, the meaning for this particular statement is empty set. There will be nothing inside. Even there is nothing inside means the meaning is finite. So I can just define nothing is inside means finite. If nothing is inside means I cannot count, nothing is empty. So the number of elements inside this particular set is empty, 0. Suppose if you are going to have like this, E is equal to set, I am just opening, I am writing an element here, 0 means, if I count n of E means I will be getting the value as 1. One element is there. The last question, sixth one, I am going to take a E fraction like this. In this place I am going to give the value for n. If I am going to give the value positive, negative values. So for this n I am going to give the value as minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. I am going to give the values. By the side I have done the calculation, students. Not only that, I can give any number of integer values. Just I am taking from minus 2 to plus 2. So I am getting the answer like this, 1 by 5, 1 by 2, 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 5. If the numbers are or the values repeated means I can write like this, 1 by 5, 1 by 2, 1, etc. So this etc. means still more I can find number of values. So this is an infinite set. So in this class we have completed 1 to 6 sum, students. In that itself we are having lot of subdivision. You have to understand the concept and do the sums, and I have given you the classwork material. You are going to write in your classwork neatly, students. Thank you.